In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Squarespace website to Constant Contact. To begin, open Constant Contact and sign into your dashboard. Make sure you are using the account where you want your Squarespace connection to be added. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Tools section. From there, go to Apps and Integrations. This area is where Constant Contact lets you connect third-party platforms, including website builders like Squarespace. When the Apps and Integrations page opens, use the search bar to look for Squarespace. This helps you find the integration quickly, especially if there are many available apps listed on the page. Once Squarespace appears in the results, click on the application card to open its integration page. This page will give you access to the connection settings. Next, click Connect Account. This starts the linking process between Constant Contact and Squarespace. At this point, you may be redirected to a Squarespace sign-in screen. Go ahead and log into your Squarespace account when prompted. Be sure to use the correct account if you manage more than one website, since the integration needs to be connected to the exact site you want to use. After signing in, Squarespace will ask you to choose the website instance you want to link. Select the correct website from the list. Take a moment here to confirm that you are choosing the right site, especially if you have multiple Squarespace projects in the same account. Once you have selected it, click Allow. This gives Constant Contact permission to connect with your Squarespace website and complete the setup. After you approve access, the integration should finish connecting automatically. If everything works correctly, your Squarespace website will now be linked to Constant Contact. It is a good idea to wait a few moments for the connection to fully process and then check for any confirmation message on the screen. That can help you verify that the link was successful. This setup is useful because it allows your website and email marketing tools to work together more smoothly. As you go through the process, move carefully and double-check each selection so you do not connect the wrong account or site. That covers everything you need to know.